How to add shape in CapCut PC in seconds. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the simple steps in order to do so. So let's just get started. So first of all, you may open up CapCut and go ahead and create up a new project. And then you should be finding this particular interface. The first thing you need to do is we do not have a direct option to add up a shape. So you need to create up a base first, and then we will be adding a shape. So here you can basically import a video out that you would like to add up as a base. For example, I would like to add this. You can open it up, upload it up on your interface like this, like timeline like this. And once you add it up, you can drag it to your timeline like this. Once it is dragged, in the top right corner, you should be finding an option called mask in this section. Look out for mask option. And here you will be finding different kind of mask shapes available that you might be interested in. So what you can do is look out for the shape that you would like to add. For example, let me just go ahead and add circle. So you can basically look out for the shape that you would like to add. And instead of a video, you can even use a picture so that you can basically create only a shape without even using a video. So you can add up the particular shape that you would like, and you can go ahead and resize it according to your own choice. Let me just go ahead and resize it. And apart from that, you can basically now go ahead and add up different kind of things for your particular shape. So you can add up animation to make it more something that you may prefer. So this is something you can do, or you can look out for other different animations as well and go ahead and play it up on your shape. And you can adjust it up, you can style it up, you can curve it up, you can make the speed, minimize the speed. And apart from that, look out for other different options as well. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to add up shape in your CapCut, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.